Hello guys! Malapit na naman ang Pasko, marami rin na namang merong birthdays, at minsan, we simply crave for chocolates. Lalo na pagka-chocolate cakes, right? Okay, so let me show you a very simple moist chocolate cake recipe. Trusted ko na po ito. Look at my previous cakes that I made. Oh, may sili pa yan. San ka pa? With Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate. Topped with cream and strawberry. Yan. So, trusted yan. Aha! This is from a bakery. Kaya ko yung tapatan. Alright. So, look at my home-baked chocolate cake. Yan. Sige. Natatakam na ba kayo? So, napakasimple po ng cake na ito. Of course, this is the base chocolate cake. And your Lola is gonna show you how to make this moist chocolate cake not from the box. Okay? Okay, so para po sa ating moist chocolate cake recipe na ito, gagamit po tayo ng buttermilk. Ano ba yung buttermilk? Diyos mo yung marungan. Gatas lang pala yun na nilagyan ng vinegar o kaya naman calamansi juice. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar sa ating milk and set it aside. Ready the rest of the ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, sugar, and vegetable oil. Now, let's begin. Ilagay po ang 2 itlog sa ating bowl. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Add half a cup of vegetable oil or canola oil. Okay, now we have the eggs, sugar, and oil. Cream these 3 ingredients together. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla. Ano ba yung cream? Well, like this. Kita nyo naman. We're gonna mix it until everything gets dissolved. And then we will add 1 cup of buttermilk. Yan, halu-haluin dahan-dahan muna. And then, continue mixing the liquid ingredients hanggang ito ay maging homogeneous mixture or lahat ay ma-dissolve, okay? Next, we will add our 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. Kung gusto nyo bistayin like this, much better. I suggest na bistayin ang ating cocoa powder as we add it to our liquid ingredients. And then, dahan-dahan, of course, ay muling halu-haluin until everything is totally and completely dissolved or incorporated. Okay? Mix, 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 mix hanggang ang ating liquid ingredients ay maging shiny. And then, of course, para mas lalong libutan ang ating chocolate taste, we will add 1 teaspoon of espresso powder or 1 teaspoon of Nescafe. Yan, dahil nahalo na natin mabuti ang ating liquid ingredients, let's add our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Idagdag na rin po ang ating 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder sa ating dry ingredient and also the 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I only want a little bit of baking soda kasi pag nasobrahan, naglalasang sabon. Alright? And then we are also going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Yan ang ating mga dry ingredients. And now, let's mix it again. Mix, 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 mix. Haluin mabuti ang ating liquid and dry ingredients hanggat sa ang ating harina ay mabasa na ng tuluyan at ang ating cake batter ay maging shiny na. Okay, na na-shiny na siya, we are going to add our super duper pampa-moist na ingredients. 1 cup of boiled water. Yan, if we want a very moist chocolate cake, boiled water lang po ang sekreto. So, mix it well hanggat ang ating cake batter ay naging thin yung kanyang consistency. Hindi na super thick like earlier. Thin na yan. Okay? Ngayong naidagdag na natin, ay halo ang ating isang tasang pinakulong tubig at mas malabnaw na ang ating cake batter. It's ready for baking. Yan. Para sa mas magandang hitsura ng ating cake, we are going to pop all these big bubbles, okay? I am simply using an egg beater para ma-pop ko yung mga bubbles na ito. like that. Tandaan, steam man or bake ang ating cake na ginagawa, dapat ay napakuluan na ang ating tubig pang steam. In this case naman, yung ating oven ay naka-on na kanina pa, and then I'm gonna show you 2 ways to bake our cake. This one is what we call water bath, okay, or pwede hindi rin. So, what are we gonna do if water bath ang ating naisip? Bake it at 170 degrees for 45 minutes or longer, okay? And then we can check it like this. Kumuha lamang po ng stick after 30 minutes or 45 minutes, check it. Pagka ang ating stick ay mayroong magdumidikit, hindi pa yun fully baked. Okay? So, isara ang oven at i-bake pa hanggang siya ay maluto. Okay, so sa ating dalawang options ay bahala po kayo, no? So, relax. Huwag kayong mag-alburuto dyan. We can bake our cake 2 ways. Yung merong water bath, o pwede namang directly like this. Yan. So we are going to bake our cake pag direct without water bath ng only 160 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Nating lakasan upang ang ating cake ay hindi mabigla at hindi matutong at hindi rin mahihaw. Okay, again, if we wanna check yung doneness ng ating cake, we will just use a stick. Sukin ang gitna ng ating stick, and then pag hinila natin at wala nang madikit, luto na ang ating cake. Alright! And then, dahil gabi na, palalamigin ko lang siya over the counter, and then tomorrow ko na ilalagay ang kanyang frosting. Depende po sa ating pinaglagyan ng cake. Pag medyo malamig na, pwede na po nating alisin at tuluyang hayaang lumamig dito sa ganitong klaseng patungan ng ating cake. Yan. So, can you see how beautiful po, di ba ang cake ko? Makinis. Alright, so palalamigin, tapos hahatiin natin yan sa dalawa. Yan, para naman sa ating budget-friendly, pero yummy at pantapat na chocolate cake frosting sa mga mamahaling bake shop. Time to cook. We are gonna prepare 3/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa powder. Sa ibang brand, I think we are gonna need like 1 cup. For this brand, kasi talagang puro yan, I think 3/4 is enough. Okay, so pistayin natin ang ating cocoa powder upang madaling halu-haluin mamaya. Okay, and then we will add 1/4 cup of pure cornstarch. Yan, so pistayin na rin ang ating cornstarch isama sa ating cocoa powder. And then we will add 2 cups of liquid milk. Sa ating pong liquid milk, pwedeng evaporated milk or pwede pong fresh milk. So yan, sa liquid milk, anything is possible. We added our dry ingredients, and then we will add 1 cup of brown sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Haluin mabuti itong ating liquid and dry ingredients. Because we are going to cook this chocolate frosting. Kinakailangan ay wala nang buo-buo bago natin isahalap sa apoy. we're going to make vanilla cake. Oh my god, mine is big.
I ate mine in 1 second.
Oh my god, this is...
When her Maxi comes and eats it all.
Yes.
Maggie Maxi will eat it all.
Oh my god, if Madawi will see this cake, oh my god, she's gonna salivate like this. You like it?